What'd you say? Birdies, are you hungry? Dude, they're starting to go near our other food. That's what I didn't want to happen. Stop! You crazy? This is a good decision. This is a great. I wonder if they started with one bird. I wonder if they like gushers. You try. What? Try.
No, it'll kill them.
No, because I like gushers.
I want one.
Go. Make them start flying, Calvin. Fly. They're flying. Oh, shit! It's flying over! Dude, you want to know what my dad told me? I think we should not throw any more so they'll eat out of my freaking hand. Now that we have all the seagulls that are on the freaking Dude, you know what my dad used to do when he was in the military? Him and his friends used to put aspirin in bread and feed it to the ducks, and then when they take a drink of water, they would explode. Hi, did you fucking hear, Kat?
No.
Listen, Kat, what did your dad used to do? Go. Him and his friends in the army, they used to put aspirin in bread and feed it to the ducks, and then when the ducks would take a drink of water, they would explode. I'm playing with you little fuckers, you too! I hate you.
Look, the pigeon's still standing.
Give it some! They all flew down to those people that are walking. That girl was alive. They're all gonna come back now. Aubrey, it's time to give up that. Oh my god, they're all down there.
I'm so glad I have that recorded.
What?
You running through them?
Glad Calvin came.
Yeah.
Run towards them too.
No.
They're all gonna come back.
Amber, you do it.
No!
Why not?
That's just scary. They're not gonna do anything.
They're just gonna fly away. She's so cute, running off pigeon-toed. Hey, you're just like him. You're pigeon-toed.
Oh, it's Amber's brothers! It's Amber's brothers! Go after the other one, Amber.